So today's cake is from David Leibovitz's recipe book. I actually found it in internet, but doesn't matter really. I love everything what's made with sesame seed. I love sesame seed oil, sesame seeds flavor, the salads, and tahini paste. I love that too. And I made recently cookies with tahini paste. The result was wonderful. So this time I am going to make a cake. And it's so easy to make. The ingredients are a little bit unusual, but you need to try this to make this cake. What unusual ingredients you need? You need almond flour. You need any type of oil, but without any flavor. Also, you can use coconut butter or oil, just make it liquidy. And you need buckwheat flour. If you don't have it, you can use just any regular flour, no matter, it's okay. But if you use buckwheat flour, it would be even better. And at the end, you get like very superfood, healthy cake. Okay, let's make it. First, we need to mix all dry ingredients and mix it really well. I did it like for almost like 30-40 seconds. And then gradually I start adding all rest of the ingredients. My egg, my oil, my tahini paste, my milk, everything. Gradually and mixing and getting dough consistency. When our dough is ready, we need clean bowl, and I add about half of the dough. So about half of the dough I'm pouring to this separate bowl and sifting cacao powder to this part of the dough and mixing it really well. So now we have two different colors, cacao and tahini color. Now we need to prepare our form. It's preferably bundt cake form, and we need to oil it very well at first. And then I start pouring my dough spoon by spoon. A spoon of the cacao dough and spoon of the tahini dough, spoon of the cacao dough, spoon of the tahini dough, and we're doing it in a matter of like a chessboard, right? One of another, so we're making like marble effect. When you cut it, you will see lighter colored dough and darker colored dough. When you're done with that, your oven is preheated, you put your dough in the oven and you bake. In original recipe it says 15-20 minutes. It took me much longer. It took me about half an hour. So watch your dough, watch your oven. Everyone's oven is different. Check your dough with the bamboo stick, and when it's ready, your stick should be dry, or your knife too. You can use knife. So when you dip it in your cake and take it out, your knife or your stick should be dry. That's it, your cake is ready. Let it cool in the form, take it out of the form. It comes out really easy, and basically your cake is ready. I didn't use glaze was given for this recipe. I kind of didn't like it. It's too many ingredients, it's too sweet. If you like, I used ganache. You'll find recipe for the ganache under this video. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, don't. This cake is amazing. It's so fluffy, it's moist, it's not too sweet, it's so light, and I would say it's kind of healthy as well, because look at the ingredients. You have to try it, guys. It's unusual and it's very, very aromatic. It smells amazing. So this is it. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this idea and you will use this recipe, and let me know if you did. And I'll see you in the next video.